Well, I'm giving this little diesel heater the first time try, just testing it before I install it. It's pretty bright out. That is not flashing, by the way. That's just a product of the camera. It's going through its startup sequence now. I can smell the glow plug getting hot. There goes the little fuel pump. I can hear it lighting. Okay, this one's the exhaust. Like I said, I wasn't too sure, so I didn't install the pipe yet, just to make sure. So just put it on here. There. Now it'll direct it out of the way. I'll come back in a minute after it's all warmed up and let's see how well it performs.